Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explain one of the most basic but most important concepts in electronics: the voltage divider circuit. If you're new to electronics, understanding this circuit is extremely important because it's the foundation for sensors, op-amp circuits, and microcontroller ADC inputs. So what exactly is a voltage divider? A voltage divider is a simple circuit made using two resistors. By placing these resistors in series, we can divide an input voltage and obtain a lower output voltage from the midpoint between them. For example, if you have a 12-volt input, you can use just two resistors to get around 5 volts at the output. Let's look at how the basic circuit works. The input voltage is applied across two resistors, R1 and R2. The output voltage is taken from the junction between these two resistors, and the bottom resistor is connected to ground. The behavior of this circuit is defined by a very simple formula. Vout equals Vin multiplied by R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Let's take a quick example. If the input voltage is 12 volts, R1 is 7 kilo ohms, and R2 is 5 kilo ohms, the output voltage will be approximately 5 volts. Voltage divider circuits are commonly used in many applications. They are used to generate reference voltages, scale sensor outputs, and measure higher voltages using microcontroller ADC inputs. A potentiometer is also a practical example of an adjustable voltage divider. However, there is an important limitation you must remember. Voltage divider circuits are not suitable for supplying power to loads. When a load is connected, the output voltage changes due to loading effects. Because of this, a voltage divider should never be used as a voltage regulator. In summary, voltage dividers are perfect for signal-level voltages, not for powering devices. If you understand this concept well, many advanced electronics topics will become much easier. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.